Fear-free English Club. Ooh, ooh.
Welcome to Fear-Free English Club. This is the podcast for English learners who understand a lot but freeze when it's time to speak. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Ben. And today, I froze because of soup.
Soup?
Yes, soup. Very dramatic. So I was talking to a colleague. It was freezing outside, snow everywhere, and she said, "So what's your favorite comfort food in winter?"
Oh no.
Yeah, my brain just stopped. I knew the word in my language. I knew the picture in my head. Hot mashed potatoes, butter, steam, happiness. But in English, nothing. Blank. I just said, I like warm food.
That's painful.
And then I tried to explain mashed potatoes, and I said, it's like smashed potato with milk and emotion.
With emotion?
Yes, very emotional potatoes.
That is actually adorable.
It was not adorable, it was awkward, and I could feel my face getting hot. And then she said, "Oh, you mean mashed potatoes?" And I was like, yes, that word.
If you've ever had that moment where you know the word but it just doesn't come, you are not alone. And today, we're going to help you talk about comfort food without freezing. First, let's say something very important. Freezing is normal. When you speak a second language, your brain works harder. It's translating, it's choosing words, it's checking grammar. That's a lot. And when someone asks you a simple question like, "What do you like to eat in winter?" your brain sometimes just says no.
My brain says, system error.
Exactly. But here's the good news. You don't need perfect vocabulary. You need survival phrases. Short lines you can use when your brain goes blank. Because fluency is not about knowing every word. It's about knowing what to say when you don't know what to say.
That's the scary part.
And that's what we practice here. So here's today's 3-line toolkit. Very simple. Line 1, a time buyer. Let me think for a second.
That gives you like 2 seconds to breathe.
Exactly. Line 2, a rescue line. Sorry, I forgot the word. It's like...
That one is powerful.
Line 3, a natural reply line. For me, it's something warm and homemade, like mashed potatoes.
That already sounds good.
Simple, natural, usable. And if this episode helps you feel less nervous about speaking, follow the podcast so you don't miss the next one.
We're building your survival English toolbox.
Okay, Ben, let's try again. I'll ask you the scary question. What's your favorite comfort food when it's cold?
Okay. Let me think for a second.
Good. Time buyer.
For me, it's something warm and homemade, like mashed potatoes.
Beautiful.
See, I didn't say emotional potato.
Growth.
What does comfort food mean?
Good question. Comfort food means food that makes you feel safe, happy, and relaxed. Usually it's warm. Often it's from childhood. For example, hot chocolate, chicken soup, mashed potatoes.
So it's not just food, it's emotional food.
Yes, emotional in a good way.
Okay, that makes sense.
Now let's slow that down. The sentence was, for me, it's something warm and homemade. Let's say it slowly. For me, it's something warm and homemade. 3 chunks. Notice the rhythm. The voice goes slightly down at the end.
For me, it's something warm and homemade.
Perfect. Let's do a short real-life situation. You're at work, I'm your colleague. It's so cold today. What are you craving lately?
Craving. What does craving mean?
Good. To crave means to really want something. Not just want, really, really want. For example, I'm craving chocolate.
So it's like a strong want.
Exactly.
Okay, let me try again. I'm kind of craving, how do you say, thick soup?
Hearty soup?
Hearty. What does that mean?
Hearty means filling and strong. food that makes you feel full and satisfied.
So like a big bowl of soup with potatoes and meat?
Yes, that's hearty.
Okay, I'm kind of craving a hearty soup.
That sounds very natural.
I said kind of. Is that okay?
Yes, kind of makes you sound relaxed and natural.
So I don't have to speak like a textbook.
Please don't. New situation. You're at a dinner party. Did you make this from scratch?
From scratch? What does that mean?
From scratch means you made it yourself. Not from a box, not frozen. For example, I made this cake from scratch.
Okay, so I can say, no, I didn't make it from scratch. I used a mix.
Perfect.
Let me try something longer. When it's cold, I usually make hot chocolate from scratch. Well, not completely. I use powder, so maybe not from scratch.
That's okay. Real life is not perfect.
Wait, that didn't sound right. I said make hot chocolate from scratch. Is that okay?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, good. I always think I'm wrong.
That's the fear talking, not your English.
That hit deep.
Let's slow down one more sentence. The sentence is, I'm kind of craving something hearty. Repeat after me. I'm kind of craving something hearty.
I'm kind of craving something hearty.
Good. Notice how kind of becomes fast. It sounds like kinda.
I'm kinda craving something hearty.
That's natural spoken English. Okay, it's time for our signature segment. Today's main rescue line is, sorry, I forgot the word. It's like,
That line saves lives.
it really does. Because you don't stop talking, you keep going. Two alternates you can use. I don't know the exact word, but... And how do you say...
That one is brave.
Yes, and brave is good. Let's slow down one more sentence. The sentence is, sorry, I forgot the word. It's like,
Sorry, I forgot the word. It's like,
I don't know the exact word, but...
I don't know the exact word, but...
How do you say...
How do you say...
These are your safety net lines. When your brain goes blank, you don't panic. You use a rescue line, and you keep going. That's confidence, not perfect English. Just forward movement. Okay, now it's time for imperfect role play. Remember, this is not perfect English. This is real English.
So I'm allowed to be awkward.
Please be awkward. It helps everyone.
Perfect. I was born ready.
Quick reminder before we start. When you freeze, you don't need new grammar. You need one of your safety lines. Time buyer, rescue line, natural reply line.
Okay, safety lines, right?
Right. Round 1. More freezing, more corrections. Situation. You're at a small winter dinner with new friends. People are wearing sweaters, it's cozy. Selbin, what do you usually eat when it's freezing outside?
Okay. Let me think for a second. When it's very cold, I like to eat warm food.
That's fine. Keep going.
Like, soup and... Sorry, I forgot the word. It's like soup, but thicker.
Like stew?
Yes, stew. And I like, bread with it. Big bread.
Big bread is cute. You can say a big piece of bread or a slice of bread.
Slice. Okay. A slice of bread. Wait, that didn't sound right. A slice of bread is correct?
Yes, perfect.
Okay. Then I say, I like stew with a slice of bread. And I like, how you say, strong soup?
Hearty soup.
Yes, hearty soup. But I don't always make it from scratch. Sometimes I buy ready soup?
You can say ready-made soup or store-bought soup.
Store-bought. Sometimes I buy store-bought soup.
Great. Now add a little feeling. One short line.
It makes me feel safe, like warm, you know?
Beautiful and is very natural.
But I feel slow.
Slow is okay. Clear is better than fast.
I used to do that too.
I used to speak too fast when I learned another language. I thought fast meant fluent. It doesn't. Calm means confident.
So calm is the goal.
Calm is the goal.
I'm trying.
You're doing it. Same situation, but now you're calmer. Same question. What's your favorite comfort food in winter?
Oh, that's a good question. Let me think. For me, it's definitely something warm and homemade. I'm kind of craving mashed potatoes lately.
That sounded very natural.
Yeah, and I like them really creamy. And I like gravy on top.
Nice.
And when I don't want to cook, I buy store-bought soup. But I add things, like extra vegetables, so it feels more homemade.
That is very real life.
One more thing. I don't know the exact word, but it's like bread with cheese melted and you cook it in a pan.
Like a grilled cheese?
Yes, grilled cheese. That's comfort food too. See, I didn't stop. I kept talking.
Exactly. You stayed in the conversation.
I didn't panic. I used a rescue line.
And that is real confidence.
It felt kind of powerful.
Because you were communicating, not performing.
Not performing. I like that.
Here's your confidence statement for today. You do not need perfect English to have warm, human conversations.
You don't need perfect English to have warm, human conversations. I need to hear that.
And one more small thing. When you share food talk, you share culture, so your English doesn't need to be fancy. It just needs to be you.
That makes me less scared.
Good. That's the point. Okay, quick review. 5 phrases from today. Repeat after us. Slow and clear. Comfort food.
Comfort food.
Hearty soup.
Hearty soup.
Homemade.
Homemade.
From scratch.
From scratch.
I'm craving.
I'm craving.
Now the rescue line. Sorry, I forgot the word. It's like...
Sorry, I forgot the word. It's like...
One more useful reply line. For me, it's definitely something warm and homemade.
For me, it's definitely something warm and homemade.
Nice. Now, pronunciation tip. Comfort food. The T in comfort is soft. It sounds like comfort food.
Comfort food.
Yes, natural. And kinda often becomes kinda.
I'm kinda craving soup.
Perfect. Now say this full sentence with rhythm. I'm kinda craving something warm.
I'm kinda craving something warm.
Beautiful. That sentence is simple and it sounds like real life. Now it's your turn. Fear-free challenge. Write one sentence in English about your favorite comfort food. Use one of today's phrases. Try one of these styles. For me, it's definitely, I'm kind of craving. I usually make it homemade, but sometimes...
And keep it short. One sentence is enough.
Yes, one sentence is real practice. Put your sentence in the comments. We read them, and we love seeing you practice.
And if you don't know a word, use the rescue line in your comment too. Like, sorry, I forgot the word. It's like...
Yes, that's fearless writing. And here's one super easy question you can answer fast. Sweet or savory?
Sweet or savory? Dangerous question.
Just one word. Sweet or savory?
Savory, always.
I knew it. Before we go, one more tiny practice. Repeat after us, slow and calm. Oh, that's a good question. Let me think.
Oh, that's a good question. Let me think.
Sorry, I forgot the word. It's like...
Sorry, I forgot the word. It's like...
For me, it's definitely something warm and homemade.
For me, it's definitely something warm and homemade.
That's it. Those lines can carry you through a real conversation.
And if you freeze, you can still speak. You just speak differently for a moment. You buy time, you restart, you continue.
Exactly. If this episode helped you feel more confident speaking English, please follow the podcast, like the episode, and share it with a friend who freezes when they speak.
You're doing an amazing job. Seriously, keep going.
Keep practicing. Try one small English sentence today. Don't wait until you feel ready.
Ready comes after you speak.
Yes, and remember, you don't need perfect words. You just need courage and one rescue line.
See you next time.
Stay warm and keep speaking. Goodbye.